Okay, so we are done with the rediscussion nga nung paano iso-solve natin at paano natin gagamitin yung mga idea about Otto Cycle. Ito yung pinakamagandang paraan para ma-apply natin siya. So this is the problem. At the beginning of the compression stroke, an ideal Otto cycle has an air pressure of 15 psia, a temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and a specific volume of 13.2 cubic feet per pound. Ngayon, sinabi dito yung kung saan siya napapaloob or anong point siya. So, at the beginning of the compression stroke. Ibig sabihin, that is at, check natin, dilaw. Okay? Okay na yan. So, at the beginning of the compression, ayaw. Mhm. Highlighter. Tayo. Beginning of the compression. Ibig sabihin that is in point 1. Ayan, point 1 yan. So, ito yung pressure, temperature, and then volume. So, meron kang P1 is at 15 psia. Meron kang T1 that is 75. Gawin na nating Rankine yan. May ako na i-solve. So, V1 or the maximum volume is at 13.2 cubic foot per pound. Ayan. So, 75 plus 460. That is 535 degree Rankine. Ayan. So, next statement, at the end of the compression, the specific volume is 1.76. So, binigay na kagad yung V2. Cubic foot per pound. Ayan. The heat supplied to the cycle is 352. Binigyan ka na rin ng QA. 352 BTU per pound. Now, you calculate the following. Yung sinabi dyan na compression ratio, highest temperature and pressure of the cycle sa 0.3 yan. The temperature and pressure of at the end of the expansion of air. Expansion, ibig sabihin T4, P4, and V4. Heat rejected, QR. The network of the cycle, work net. Thermal efficiency of the cycle, pwede mo makuha yan once na makuha mo na kagad yung compression ratio or RK. And then the horsepower developed by the ideal engine operating at binigay yung mass flow rate of 0.5 pound per second of air. Now, dito ako. I will dwell on this. So, process 1 to 2 muna. Alamin muna natin yung mga kailangan nating isolve dito. So, S is equal to C. 1 to 2. S is equal to C. Now, meron tayong P1, check. T1, check. Meron tayong V1, check. Ang hanapin natin dito is P2, V2, tsaka T2. Let's start with T2. T2 over T1 equal to maximum dapat P2 over P1 raised to K minus 1 over K equal to V1 over V2 raised to K minus 1. So, hanapin muna natin yung RK. RK is equal to V1 over V2. So, V1 is 13.2. Divide mo ng, since same unit, wag mo nalagay unit. 13.2 divide by 1.76. Check nga natin kung tama. 1.76. So, what is RK? 13.2 divided by 1.76. 13.2 divided by 1.76. The answer is 7.5. Meron na tayong RK. Masolve na natin si T2. T2 is equal to T1. Okay? T1, litan lang natin to. Ayan. T1 multiplied to RK raised to K minus 1. T1, wala naman binigay dito. Then K should be 1.4. So, T1 is 535 degrees Rankine multiply to RK na 7.5 raised to 1.4 minus 1. So, T2 is 535 times 7.5 raised to 0.4 yan. 1.4 minus 1 is 0.4. The answer is 1197. 1197.78 degrees Rankine. We have T1 at T2. Oh, meron na tayong V2. Ano na lang? P2 na lang. In order for us to solve yung P2 is equal to, use yung, PV is equal to MRT. O yan, na use to. And to find P2. P2 is equal to, oh, remember, yung specific volume na ibinigay dyan, that is equal to volume over the mass flow rate. Okay? Oh, meron na tayo dito R T over volume 2. 2. Yung T2 is nasolve naman natin. So R, ano ba ang R ng air? R of air. That is, kapag SI 0.28708 kilojoule per kilogram degree Kelvin. Kapag naman English, that is 53.34 pound feet per pound degree Rankine. Okay. So, gagamitin natin dito SI. Yung English. So, 53.34 pound feet, per pound degree Rankine. And then, you multiply it with T2. T2 is 1197.78 degree Rankine. Divide by V2. Meron dyan, 1.76 feet cube per pound. The problem here is, ang kailangan nating unit pang pressure is PSI. Feet pa rin yun nandito. I-multiply natin ng factor. That is 144 inch squared per 1 foot squared. We cancel all the same units na meron tayo dyan. Yung feet cube, feet squared, yung pound, Rankine, and Rankine. Okay, ano ba ito? Ayan. Ayan. So, what happened is, natira yung inch squared, and then yung pound. So, PSI na yan. So, what will be the answer? Calculate natin. 53.34 times 1197.78. Okay. Divide by 1.76 times 144. The answer will be P2. 252 P2 is 252.09 PSI. Yan. Nakalimutan ba ako dyan? Ay, wala naman. Okay. That is P2. Meron na tayong compression ratio. Check. I-cross out na natin. Okay. Highest temperature and pressure. End of expansion. Wala pa tayo. Okay. At 0.2 to 3. Copy ko na lang to para hindi tayo mahirapan. Control C. Yan. Control V. Ito natin dyan. Para maayos. Okay. At process 2 to 3, meron tayong heat addition. Wala tayong, ito, same lang naman ang volume, VC. Okay. Process 2 to 3, constant volume where V2 is equal to V3. Ibig sabihin that is equal to 1.76 cubic foot per pound. So, pwede natin makuha yung temperature. T3 over T2 equal to P3 over P2. Dalawa yung missing natin. Wala tayong P3 and wala tayong T3. Pero may binigay tayong QA. 352 BTU per pound. Yan. Diba QA is equal to M CV T3 minus T2. Dito, meron tayong QA, meron tayong CV, wala tayong T3, meron tayong T2. Then we can say, we can solve yung T3. So, reform natin. Divide both sides by MCV. O, di QA, divide by MCV. Divide by equal to T3 minus T2. O, ang sinusolve natin is T3. Then, we can say na ang T3 is equal to T2 plus QA over MCV. O, T3, T2, 1197.78 degrees Rankine plus QA, 352 BTU per pound degree, per pound lang yan. Sorry naman. Okay. Divide by CV, 0.171 BTU per pound degree Rankine. We cancel all the same units na meron tayo dyan, yung BTU pound, matitira Rankine. Then we can solve for T3. T3 is 1197.78 plus 352 divide by 0.171. Dapat mas mataas siya sa T2. So, 3256. Okay? T3. 3256.26 degrees Rankine. Oh, we can solve na yung P3. P3. Gamitin na lang natin to. Wag na tayo ideal gas law. So, T3 over T2 multiplied to P2. So, T3, that is 3256.26 divide by T2 1197.78 multiplied to P2 na nakuha natin. Ay, nakuha natin P2, that is 252.09. 252.09 PSI. So, ang unit dito is PSI only. So, P3, maximum temperature of combustion. Ito yung maximum pressure. 3256.26 divide by 1197.78 multiplied to 252.09. The answer is P3 is 685. 685.33 PSI. Very basic. Okay, meron na tayong dalawa. Cross out na natin siya. Highest temperature and pressure of the cycle. Okay. Durayin ko na lang ito. Dalawa. Okay. Check ko na lang siya. Ano ba maganda dito? Ito na lang, para colorful. Check. Check. Okay. How about the temperature and pressure at the end of the expansion? Basic pa rin yan. Madali lang yan. End of expansion. Copy ko ulit to. Saan ba mangyayari yan? Okay. End of expansion, o di ibig sabihin mula dito hanggang dito, where S is equal to C. Meron na tayong P3, V3, T3. We can say that V1 is equal to V4. S is mali tayo doon. 0.3 to 4, S is equal to C, expansion. Yan. And then we can say that V1 is equal to V4. That is 13.2 feet cube per pound. Yan. So, T4. T maximum. T3 divided by T4 equal to P3 over P4 raised to K minus 1 over K equal to V4 over V3 raised to K minus 1. Di ba sabi ko kanina RK is equal to V1 over V2 where yung V1 is equal to V4 and V3 is equal to V2. Then, equal din yan sa V4 over V3. Okay? V3. Yan. We can solve na yung T4. So, T4 is equal to T3 over RK raised to K minus 1. O, T3, that is equal to 3256.26 degree Rankine divided by RK is 7.5 raised to 1.4 minus 1. T4 now is 3256.26 divided by 7.5 raised to 1.4 minus 1 or 7.5 raised to 0.4. The answer is 1454. 1454.44 degrees Rankine. Yan na yung T4. Meron na tayong V4. O, di masolve na natin si P4 using PVMRT equation. P4 is equal to R T4 over V4. R, 53.34 pound feet per pound degree Rankine multiplied to T4, that is 1454.44 degrees Rankine divided by V4, that is 13.2 feet cube per pound. Okay, multiply natin nung conversion factor na 144 inch squared per 1 foot squared. We cancel all the same units. So, yung Rankine, feet, Rankine, feet squared, feet cube, pound. Ang natira is pound per inch squared or PSI. So, that is 53.34 multiplied to 1454.44 divided by 13.2 multiplied to 144. The answer is 40.81 PSI. So, P4. Mali ako ng kulay. P4 is equal to 40.81 PSI. Okay, meron na tayong P4. Meron na tayo nito. Heat rejected na lang. QR. Saan kukunin yung QR? Pwede na dito. QR is equal to mCVT 4 minus T1. Saan ba nagmula yan? Sir, dito ang QR. 4 to 1. So, QR, wala tayong M. CV is 0.171 BTU per pound degree Rankine multiplied to T4, that is 1454.44 minus yung 1535 degrees Rankine. Cancel all the same units yung Rankine, natira BTU per pound. Okay. 0.171 multiplied to 1454.44 minus 535. Sir, bakit 535? 75 plus 460. That is, QR is 157.22 BTU per pound. Sir, how about yung sinasabi ditong efficiency of the cycle? Saan mo gusto ibase? Base muna natin sa worknet over QA. Yung worknet naman is QA minus QR over QA. QA natin, 352. minus 157.22 divide by 352. Tignan natin kung magtatama. Dapat tama yan. O, 352 minus 157.22 divide by 352. The answer is, yan. Ang efficiency of the cycle, 0.55335. Check natin. Efficiency of cycle, using yung RK natin. 1 minus 1 over RK raised to K minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 over 7.5 raised to 1.4 minus 1. Check natin kung tatama yung sagot. 1 minus 1 divide by 7.5 raised to 0.4. Kasi 1.4 minus 1 is 0.4. Tama naman. 0.55334. May baka 9 ang tingin nyo dyan. 4 yan. Check. Pareho lang. Okay? So, what is the last one that is asked? Okay, nasolve natin lahat. It rejected. Network of the cycle, thermal efficiency. Yung net, work na lang. Solve natin siya. Network of the cycle. Work net. Is equal to QR minus QA. O di 352 minus 157.22 BTU per pound. That is 352 minus 157.22. The answer is 194.78. 194.78 BTU per pound. Specific work pa lang to. Pag sinabing yung work talaga, the work is yung mass flow na binigay dyan, multiply to work net. Mass flow binigay dyan is 0.5 pound per second. 0.5 pound every second multiplied to 194.78 BTU per pound. Ang kabisado ko lang iisa. Okay, ano yung kabisado ko, sir? Ang kabisado ko lang dito is yung 1 HP is equal to 550 ba? Hindi ko kabisado eh. Ito lang kabisado ko, 42.4 BTU per minute. Yan. Ito lang yung conversion factor natin dyan. Okay? Di convert ko na lang sila. O, di work net is equal to 0.5 pound in every second times 194.78 BTU per pound times pound per second. Okay, convert ko na lang to ng 60 seconds in every minute. And then, multiply ko ng 42.4, hindi, ng 1 HP. 1 HP every 42.4 BTU every pound. We cancel all the same units. Pound, BTU, seconds, minute. Okay? BTU per pound, hindi to BTU per pound, dapat minute to eh. Let me just, revise this one. Okay, minute. Ang matitira dyan, seconds. Okay. HP pala. HP ang matitira. Okay. So, calculate natin for the last part of our problem. 0.5 times 194.78 times 60 divided by 42.4. The answer is 137.81. Ayan, ang huli nating answer. Work is 137.82 HP. Okay, that will be all for that problem. and more problems to come pagdating ng Otto Cycle. Okay? Keep following the page para mas marami pa tayong turong magagawa. At marami pang susunod dito. Meron pa tayong diesel cycle, meron pa tayong Brayton, meron pa tayong dual cycle. And for thermodynamics, i-discuss na rin natin yung processes of thermodynamics. From isobaric, isometric, hanggang polytropic pagdating ng steam. Okay? That will be all.